Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking core prerequisites. Chrome is installed and active on your device, and you have the exact HTTP link copied. Once done, open Chrome and focus the Omnibox. Paste the link exactly as copied, including the leading HTTP, // Press Enter or click the right arrow icon to load. You do this because the address bar treats text versus URLs differently. Precise prefixing ensures Chrome interprets the entry as a web address rather than a search. Once the page begins loading, observe behavior. Chrome may redirect HTTP to HTTPS automatically for security or block insecure elements labeled mixed content. If elements are blocked and you trust the site, click the lock or shield icon, then allow the unsafe scripts. Be cautious. Make sure to disable extensions or try incognito mode to isolate extension interference. This reveals whether an add-on is preventing the page from loading. These steps explain why some links fail even when pasted correctly. To complete the process, confirm the page fully renders. If not, force a reload with Ctrl+R or Command+R to bypass transient fetch issues. If problems persist, clear your browser cache, verify your network connection, or open the same HTTP link on another device to isolate local settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if you encounter certificate or DNS errors, stop and contact the site administrator rather than overriding security warnings. This protects you from malicious or misconfigured servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.